Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today quote is the road to success is always under construction. So just build a road. So let's start the video. Today topic is today we talk about something new, which is some stream API. So what is stream API? So first we would like to know about the word stream. As the flow of water, it is like sometimes we call the stream of water. So when the flow of water, basically it represents that it is flowing, it is not stopped. It also means that once it is flown, it will not come back, it is just flown. In the same way, Java uses the taken the word stream and use it in such a way that if we use our data in a stream, we can use it only once. So it also uses we can also say that it uses the concept of immutability. So without further more discussion orally, we just see the example. So let's start it. Yeah, so just implement the word stream and let's see what it's showing. Yeah, here it represents, it is an interface which is using some class. Okay, and there is some methods, filters, map. Okay, let's do it one by one. Let's say stream of integers and we call it as nums dot stream. Yeah, so what does this line of code do? Basically, initially we have a nums array 1 2 3 4 5 6. What we can do is we can convert it as a stream, and these are floating. But once it is flowing, we can use it until there. When I move to the next stream or next line, it will not be used. Let's see an example. If I would like to print it using forEach, which we have discussed in the previous video, we are just mentioning the n and do some operation over it. Let's say simply checking. Okay, first compile and then run. Yeah, we got our error 1 2 3 4 5 6. Perfect, cool. Now what if, as I'm saying, that it will not be used again? So let's just try to use it again. Let's see what will happen. First I clear it, first compile and then run it. Yeah, here you see that let me just hit. Yeah, here you see that the first stream is working perfectly fine, and when I executing the same stream, it showing some illegal state exception. That stream has already been operated. Okay, so it means you can only perform operation once on one stream. Okay, so we are not able to do that. Okay, just remove it also. Okay, cool. We get S1 stream which contain our numbers. Let's say we want even numbers from that particular stream. Okay, let's just do it. And one more thing, S1 dot filter, and we want only even numbers. I hope some of you beginners found that. Oh, what is it? Basically, this is this is a lambda expression which basically tells that this is number 0, and I think filters, yes, I think it is perfectly fine. But okay, type of stream, as you have seen here, the error is the method in the type stream integer is not applicable for the arguments int. So basically the filter method, let me just open it, it returns stream, so you have to store it in stream also. Okay, don't worry, I'm storing it in stream. So I'm creating a new stream s2 and then storing it in the only even numbers. But what is trying to showing that kind of error? Yeah, let me just check it. I think everything is fine, it is just unsaved, so that's why it's throwing error. You can just try to printing and check whether it is correct or not. Okay, forget that we are using stream. For each taken, simply doing the same operation to check whether our function is working proper or not. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, let's first compile it. Yeah, 2 4 6, we got only even numbers in that particular stream. Okay, so our stream 1 is the whole number and now stream 2 contains the even numbers. We can't use s1 again, and we got another stream s2. Okay, now let's say I want to double these numbers which are even. Okay, so we can using the map method, which again I'm writing a lambda expression so that you are familiar with it. And it again, let's check the data type first. Yeah, it also returns stream, so just store in the stream also stream of integer. And then just check it, system dot, yeah, I forgot it. We have to just using forEach for s3. Yeah, refine and just compile it again, run it. Yeah, initially we got 2 4 6. As you can see here also in our list, only the even numbers are 2 4 6, which we store in the stream second, and now in the stream third we double it, so just 4 8 and 12, simple. Okay, cool. So, and let's say another, trying some another operation on it, reduce. Let's, you just see it what I'm doing. I'm just telling behind the story and how it is working. And let's check the data type of reduce. Oh, it's simply the class, not the stream. Here you sing it, it is returning the type of stream, not the stream. So just return the type, store it variable. Here you see result 4 8 12, and what I am doing in the reduce, just taken as a black box, it will just add it. What I am logic is written, it basically add the two numbers and return it. Let me just print it. As you have mentioned, 4 8 12. initially in the stream third, and we just add whole stream and return the result. Okay, so basically you have to when you're working with the stream, you have to carefully remember which method you're using and its type, output type, whether it is returning the stream or the basically the simple class of the stream. So you have to carefully work with that. So why we use streams? So as you've seen here, when we suppose you have big data or some enormous data, and you just only want to work with meaningful data, and you don't need in future unnecessarily of the unnecessary data. So what you've done, instead of rathering storing in some data structure, which is suppose you sort the structure in here. One data structure is your sorted or whatever I'm saying, that is a meaningful data, and the second is the unmeaningful or unnecessary data. Why would you store the unnecessary data? Just remove it. Only store the meaningful, or only work or only operate on the meaningful data. So that's why we use stream. So here your computation or the memory management is optimized when you are using stream with big data. So that's all about stream, and it is implemented in Java after 1.8. Initially there is no stream method in Java before 1.8. So yeah, that's for it tomorrow. So that's it guys, thank you, bye bye.